to do the whole set list, but because we didn't realize the Friday, I just picked out the common ones that we know there so we can quickly get along. But I picked one line that's I think that part. La 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 la. Your goodness and mercy they follow for my life.
But it's immediately.
Okay.
We'll be done in 6 minutes because I need to.
Okay, let's take hallelujah out of it. Or we won't go to the R part.
That's the sweetest part now. Which kind you go to the R part? No. It's ending with that.
Yeah, I'm not saying
ending with that.
Yeah, we're ending with that.
Yeah.
But there's still.
Give me a second.
Carry me, they go.
Give me a second, G. Give me a second. Let me. That's. So do that.
Oh my God. Should we go back to hallelujah?
Yeah, let's go to that. So let's go back to that. That's what? Sorry. So wait for the break. Let's sing. It's just 5. 1, 2, 3, go.
Finish for my mouth.
is from the belly.
I know. My belly is not here today.
Okay, you know what? Should they help you out?
They didn't help me, but they don't need to help me. I know.
Dance around it now, G. We can't
Okay,
move.
I have to.
Yeah.
Move.
Lie. No, now. That's the highest point. After you start that,
Wait,
come on,
let
everybody.
me tell you something. So this is the secret. If I don't do that, I cannot afford to go out of key. So it's either I eat the peach or I don't know.
It's true. You can't dance around it.
I pray.
Yeah, I feel like 15 minutes. So we can do the breakdown. So what would the breakdown be? Yeah, because I will do 20 minutes. Like this guy. Try. Yeah. is taking care of us. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. What is it? This B flat now.
Okay, that is fine. New miracles every day. New testimonies, that's right, folks. New testimonies everywhere. New miracles every day. New miracles every day.
Yeah, this is eight.
New testimonies everywhere. Yeah, this one. Latest grace I receive.
Let's go.
New miracles every day. New testimonies everywhere. Latest grace I receive. Every day. I know Jesus is taking care of me. I'm here to testify. Jesus is
Right,
taking
right.
care of me.
Yes.
New mercies. Sometimes you need to give us advance notice.
I like this.
New mercies every morning. You didn't know with benefits. You treat me like your only child. You know, I know Jesus, you're taking care of me. I'm here to testify. Jesus is taking care of me. Oh,
Watching over me. I'm standing because Jesus is taking care
One more
of
time.
me.
1, 2,
Jesus is
3,
taking care of
6.
me.
Somebody do this. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jesus is taking care of me.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Jesus is looking after me.
Melody.
Watching over me.
Jesus is watching over me. I'm standing because Jesus is taking care of me.
One more time.
Jesus is taking care of me.
Jesus is taking care of me.
You know the last
Oh, Jesus is looking after me.
Jesus is watching over me.
Jesus is watching over me. I'm standing because Jesus is taking care of me. Jesus is taking care of me.
In the morning, in the midnight, in the evening, He's taking care of me.
Jesus is taking care of me.
Oh, la, 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 la,
Jesus, yeah.
Jesus said,
You are not in again.
Jesus
So don't worry
said,
about all the too many verses. I'm not trying to do the
in your
half
special way.
almost the entire scene.
All that.
Oh,
What was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Jesus,
but
yeah.
it's too low.
It's too low. He has done it again. Jesus, yeah.
1, 2, 3, Jesus, yeah. Let's go.
He has done it again. Jesus, yeah. In your special way, what was impossible, you made possible.
Don't stick on that. Don't stick on that.
Jesus, yeah.
Fix it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Jesus, yeah.
Huh?
You have done it again. Jesus, yeah.
Jesus, yeah.
He's okay. He's okay.
He has done it again.